Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Purple Stethoscope is probably one of the most sought-after medical instruments for healthcare professionals and students, balancing aesthetics with functionality. Its vibrant color not only makes it easily identifiable but also adds a touch of personality to a professional's medical kit. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right Purple Stethoscope can be overwhelming. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a Purple Stethoscope that perfectly suits your needs and preferences, ensuring optimal performance and years of reliable use. Number 5. MDF Acoustica Stethoscope. It's the MDF Acoustica, a stethoscope trusted for generations. Experience superior sound quality and durability, backed by our lifetime warranty. This lightweight stethoscope is perfect for all-day use. Its premium aluminum construction ensures it will last. With its dual-head chest piece, it effortlessly transitions between high and low-frequency sounds. Hear every detail clearly. The patented design features maximize sound performance and comfort. Enjoy superior acoustic clarity with every use. It comes with extra ear tips, a diaphragm, and our lifetime warranty with replacement parts for life. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Whether you're a seasoned doctor or a student, it's the perfect tool for accurate auscultation. It's ideal for various settings, from hospitals to homes. What we like? It's lightweight and comfortable for all-day use. The superior build quality ensures it will last a lifetime. If you value both comfort and longevity, this is the stethoscope for you. What people say. It's perfect for listening to the lungs and getting BP. The sound is clear. Lightweight, nowhere near as heavy as the school-provided one. You can hear a little bit better on this one too, so it's definitely a great starter stethoscope. The infection control extra pieces they put with it to make it work great too. Also, it comes with a lifetime warranty and free replacement parts, so you can't beat that. This pink one works great. Super cute and worth the money. Lightweight and comfortable. Number 4. MDF Acoustica Stethoscope. It's the MDF Acoustica, a stethoscope trusted for generations. Experience the quality and reliability that medical providers have depended on for over 50 years. Its lightweight yet durable design makes it comfortable for extended use. The premium aluminum construction ensures it will stand up to daily use. This dual-head chest piece allows you to easily switch between high and low-frequency sounds. Hear everything you need to with accuracy and clarity. The patented design features maximize sound performance and comfort. Experience superior acoustic clarity with its longer, thicker, non-stick tubing and ergonomic headset. It comes with extra ear tips, a replacement diaphragm, and an ID tag. Plus, it's backed by our lifetime warranty and replacement parts program. Available in over 20 colors, it makes a thoughtful and practical gift for doctors, nurses, students, or anyone in the medical field. What we like? This stethoscope is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for long shifts. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use. If you need a reliable and comfortable stethoscope that's built to last, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's perfect for listening to the lungs and getting BP. The sound is clear. Lightweight, nowhere near as heavy as the school-provided one. You can hear a little bit better on this one too, so it's definitely a great starter stethoscope. The infection control extra pieces they put with it to make it work great too. Also, it comes with a lifetime warranty and free replacement parts, so you can't beat that. This pink one works great. Super cute and worth the money. Lightweight and comfortable. Number 3. Dixie EMS Blood Pressure Kit. This kit is perfect for medical professionals. It includes a high-quality blood pressure cuff and stethoscope, all in one convenient package. It's designed to fit most adults and features a PVC inflation bag with 2 air release valves for precise and easy operation. You can inflate and deflate it with just one finger. The high-contrast dial on the manometer makes it easy to read blood pressure measurements accurately. Plus, it has a handy clip to attach to your clothing. This stethoscope is suitable for patients of all ages. The flexible ear tubes and extra earpieces ensure a comfortable and customizable fit. The included carrying case keeps your equipment safe and secure. It's zippered for security and water-resistant for easy transport. What we like? This kit includes everything you need for accurate blood pressure readings. The cuff is easy to use, and the carrying case keeps everything organized. If you're looking for a convenient and complete blood pressure monitoring solution, this is it. What people say. It provides clear sound quality, making it reliable for everyday use. The Sprague is her favorite because the bell actually has an off-on feature, and the bell is also double-sided with an adult and an infant child side. The diaphragm is made out of a clear plastic, which is different from my Littmann. It is double-sided, one large and one small, with the ability to turn the opening to either side. In the kit, it comes with other pieces so you can change out the diaphragm. I am easily able to listen for the court cough, blood pressure, sounds, and apical heart rate, lung sounds, bowel sounds, aka typical assessment data. Number 2. Santamedical Deluxe Aneroid Kit. Introducing the ultimate blood pressure monitoring solution. This kit has everything you need for accurate and reliable readings. It features a durable, easy-to-read gauge for precise measurements. Get confident readings every time. This stethoscope boasts 22-inch tubing and a chrome-plated chest piece for superior sound clarity. Hear those vital sounds with ease. The nylon cuff is designed for comfortable and secure placement on adult patients, ensuring accurate readings every time. This convenient kit comes with a matching carrying case for easy transport and storage. Keep everything organized and ready to go. Ideal for nurses, students, and medical professionals. It's the perfect tool for any healthcare setting. It's designed with latex-free materials, making it safe for those with latex allergies, ensuring safe and reliable use for everyone. What we like? Get everything you need in one convenient kit. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use. If you need a reliable and portable blood pressure monitoring solution, this is a great option. What people say. The stethoscope has very clear audible sound. This one actually feels more substantial, definitely not toy-like. I love how the color is inside the bell and diaphragm, aesthetically pleasing as well. Number 1. Sprague Rappaport Stethoscope. For over 50 years, it has been a trusted tool for medical professionals. Its reliable performance and durability have made it a favorite among healthcare providers. We stand behind our product with confidence. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's covered for life, with free parts replacements. It's designed with your safety in mind. The latex-free materials ensure a safe and comfortable experience for both you and your patients. It offers versatility for all your diagnostic needs. Use it on adults, children, and infants with the included attachments. Easily switch between high and low frequency sounds. It allows you to hear the subtle details with clarity. Choose from 3 sizes of soft silicone ear tips for a perfect fit. The comfortable seal blocks out distracting noise. High-quality, latex-free tubing ensures durability and clarity. The secure clasps keep everything in place. Experience enhanced sound clarity with separate channels for each ear. This design directs sound for optimal listening. It's more than just a stethoscope, it's an investment in your practice. Our Free Parts for Life program provides ongoing support. What we like? It offers versatility for various patients. The dual-lumen tubing ensures clear sound. If you need a high-quality stethoscope with a lifetime supply of replacement parts, this is the one for you. What people say. Great sound and a beautiful purple. Comes with different sizes, ear pieces and chest pieces. Cheap but works great. Most of the cheaper stethoscopes, even Sprague models, have very hard earpieces. This one works great. Sound is on par with a Littmann Basic ID say, and the earpieces are oh so comfortable. Works as good as the expensive ones. Great for new or old medical staff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.